Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Sentiment Trader's backtest engine to recreate the backtest our senior analyst Jason Goepfert used in his recent article titled, "What Happens When More Than Half of Indicators Show Too Much Optimism?" Mirroring Jason's rules, when our proprietary percent showing excess optimism-pessimism spread's 10-day moving average rapidly moves from below 0% to above 40%, the backtest engine will initiate a long position in the S&P 500. Additionally, the backtest engine is set to exit trades when the market time reaches 63 bars. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPX as our symbol. You have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default option provided. Next, we'll set the time in the market to 63 bars, which is the average number of trading days in 3 months. Under Entry Criteria, change Single Condition in the upper right corner to Time Order Multi-Condition. Then, check Use Time Period Limit and set the period to 70. Go to Condition 1 to enter your first entry condition. Click on the Type drop-down menu and choose Sentiment Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for, and select the percent showing excess optimism-pessimism spread. Then click the radio button for Indicator Moving Average and enter the number 10 for the input period, choose the less than symbol, and enter 0 in the last input field. Click the Condition 2 tab, and again select the percent showing excess optimism-pessimism spread and apply a 10-day moving average. However, this time, we will choose Cross Above and enter 0.4 for the second entry threshold. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts, as well as edit your test to relax some of the parameters to generate larger sample sizes. In the Analysts Backtest tab of your Backtest Edge platform, you can discover this and many other backtests utilized by our analysts. You have the option to simply copy the backtest of your choice to create a duplicate. In this section, you can copy the backtest of your choice and save it to a favorites folder, allowing you to monitor or adjust the signal parameters as you see fit. The analyst's article corresponding to each backtest is listed in this section too for easy reference. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.